Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start the TP-Link Tether setup now. Make sure the router is powered and your phone has Wi-Fi on. Open the app and sign in, or create an account if this is your first time. Once done, allow the app permissions it requests, location and local network, so it can find the router. If the router doesn't appear, tap refresh and confirm the phone is on the router's Wi-Fi. This gets you to the router discovery step quickly and reliably. You'll now configure core settings. Select your router in the app and enter the admin password printed on the device or previously set by you. Change the SSID and Wi-Fi password to something memorable but strong. Choose WPA2 or WPA3 for security. Once done, make sure to set the region and time zone so scheduling features work. If you need guest access or parental controls, enable them here. These are optional but useful. Save changes and wait for the router to apply them. Finish by checking connected devices in the Tether app and verifying internet access on your phone. If devices do not reconnect automatically, reselect the new SSID and enter the password you created. Reboot the router if needed. Make sure firmware is up to date. Updates fix stability and security issues, so run the update from the app. If things still fail, perform a hardware reset by holding the reset button for 10 seconds, then repeat setup. This clears unknown conflicts and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.